What's going on, guys? This is Mando Mowers. Today actually is nighttime, so tonight we are working on a Craftsman LT 1500. Customer complaint: PTO did not work. So you can see here, does not engage. So I actually had the cable somewhere. So it was the cable that broke. So I ended up purchasing one. So if you guys need to know, that is the model number there. So model number is 247288820. And the part number right there. Yes, there you go. Focus a little bit. Focus. There you go. So yeah, we're gonna be installing this cable to get this this mower going, and that's pretty much it. So let's dive right in. Alright guys, so this is a little pain in the butt. Alright. Alright guys, so you see, oh, it's just a rubber cover. I thought it was a spring, but you guys can see just rubber, nothing. All right, so guys, this cable goes from underneath here, connects to the PTO. All right, and then this cable, see where it goes, runs all the way to the deck, goes over and under right to the deck. So let's go take it off. Let's actually bring down the deck and take it off the deck. So then I'm gonna connect it back from the deck, raise the deck back up, come around here, and then reinstall it back up here. So let's knock that one out. All right guys, so you see the spring there. All right, I'm gonna try to tempt this and record it. So this spring here, because we're lucky, is already loose. Flip it around. I might just do this by hand. She wants to be a pain in the butt. There it goes. That's pretty much it, guys. Take it off from there. That connects to right here. Alright. So we're just gonna reverse everything and put everything back together. Alright guys, so we got it connected. Alright. So you guys can see here, right there. Alright. So that was a little tricky. You had to pull, you had to push the spring just enough to slip that cable inside that little hook there and to get it in there. So it's kind of, you know, one arm over here and the other arm over here. That type of deal with trying to install that cable. So like I said, let's see if I can get you guys in here. So, see right there. So that's what it connects to. All the way down there. Alright. Then it comes around here, which I just zip tie it. Comes under, that's the way they had it set up, under the axle, which I'll zip tie here. Okay. Comes around here, which on this side, guys, I literally just dropped the deck on this side, and that was pretty much it. I was nice and comfortable trying to get in there. And you can see the spring is connected. So literally is if somebody doesn't have the experience, maybe an hour, somebody with experience, this was literally like a 10-minute job, like from taking it out to putting it on, you know, taking off the deck on one side, literally 10-15 minutes. So we're gonna see if it works. So let me put the battery back on, drop it down, and let's start it up. All right, guys, moment of truth. That literally just made a freaking mess. But you see, guys, it did turn on. I'm sorry, it did engage. So that was the whole issue. I think the cable came out to like 18 bucks. Put a little time into it, you know, and that's pretty much it. So I usually charge my, you know, my percentage on parts when I have to order them. And you know, I charge my labor, so I still be cheaper than anybody else, I'll tell you that. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So we installed the PTO cable on a Craftsman LT 1500. As you can see, guys, it literally took about 20 minutes to do, no big deal. And it runs perfectly fine now. So tomorrow I'll be delivering this back to the customer, and that's pretty much it. But thank you guys for hanging around. If you can, like, subscribe, share, anything, guys, anything to support the channel, be freaking amazing. Until next time, guys, Mando Mowers, and we are gone.